Our lives are often so busy and full of stress. Yeah, the stress comes from our work, sometimes from our relationships, sometimes there's lots of issues going on in our physical health. We all know how to take care of physical health, right? But what about mental health? Who will take care of your mental health? Is mental health even a thing to be taken care of? Let's find out. It is the most important thing. Mental health controls our consciousness as well as how our body functions. Stress, grief, depression, these are all the examples of the negative effects on our mental health. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. But sometimes in this fast-going world, we forget about how important it is to make certain good habits that ensure that we are strong, we are emotionally strong as well as mentally relaxed. So in this video, we're gonna discuss certain good habits for our mental health. Let's get started. First one is get enough sleep. Most of us are in habit of ignoring our sleep. Sleep is not an important thing for us. Sometimes we ignore our sleep for our work, sometimes for just for time pass. Sleep is so important because it allows our body to rest and our mind to get reset. If you aren't allowing your body to take sufficient amount of rest, then it may happen that you get up irritated and it will obviously affect your work, your physical health as well as your mental well-being. Second most important habit is eating healthy. When we are feeling down, it is super easy to eat a packet of chips or to eat highly processed food and junk food, right? हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये सब खाने से हमारा मूड अच्छा हो जाएगा, right? But according to the research and according to several studies, eating healthy food help in upliftment of our mood as well as it is super important for our physical as well as our mental health. Do you know why? Let me tell you. According to the research, the diets which are rich in fruits and the vegetables, they regulate the levels of serotonin in our body. Now what is serotonin? ये वो chemical है which fix our sleep schedules as well as which regulates our mood. So, eating healthy, eating diet rich in fruits and vegetables, they help in regulation of serotonin and which helps in regulation of both our physical health as well as our mental health. Third most important habit is exercising regularly. Do you know exercising regularly, it affects both our physical as well as our mental health. According to multiple studies, exercise helps us in releasing the feel-good hormones in our body, endorphins, as well as it helps us in relieving our stress and improving our sleep quality and help us releasing the anxiety, depression type feeling, everything. Fourth most important habit is interact with others. Yes, interaction is important. We are human being. Human is a social being. आजकल हम सब अपने फोन की दुनिया में रहते हैं. Usually spend entire 24 hours in front of a screen. Am I right or wrong? Well, most of the time, not 24 hours, then most of the time. और इसकी वजह से हम सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं isolated होते जा रहे हैं. But as we all aware that we are human beings, we are social beings, so we require interaction. And hence, interaction is a big part of being human. Interacting with others, be it any of your family members, your friends, help us to relieve our stress as well as boost our mood. Fifth most important habit is go outside. Going outside for even a small period of time, मतलब थोड़े समय के लिए भी बाहर जाना, it helps in regulating the serotonin level in our body and helps in improving our mood. Sixth most important habit is meditation. Yeah, sixth most important habit is meditation. Sitting quietly for 5 minutes and taking deep breath. It could be enough to calm your racing mind. Seventh one is laugh out loud. Laughing releases feel-good hormone in our body and it helps in relieving stress as well as it increases our ability to learn things. Eighth most important habit is expressing gratitude. Switching habits of complaining with the habit of expressing gratitude is one of the greatest habits. I mean, we all are in habits of complaining throughout the day. But don't be lie. You are also lucky in one or more aspect as compared to the other human beings, right? So be in a habit of expressing gratitude. Be in a habit of grateful for the things that you have. The most important habit is managing your work. Obviously, सारा stress तो काम से ही आता है. Sometimes you do relationship also, but काम से भी major amount of stress आता है. So we can manage our work by making a proper to-do list And then starting our work, stress किस बात का? And the last and the most important habit is do things that you love doing. Do things that we love doing. Expressing yourself, having an outlet to express yourself is super important. You can express yourself by talking to your loved ones, your family, your friends. You can express yourself by singing, by dancing, by creating any art, anything. But having an outlet to express yourself, express your emotions is super important for your mental health. So these are certain habits that we can try to keep our mental health in a good state. Comment down me and tell me what you do for your mental health. We'll be meeting you soon in next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye.